Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants. And Friday night cocktails.
Woohoo! Tonight, we are making a Paloma. When did we go? We went to Mexico 4 months?
Beginning of May.
Yeah.
I remember.
And
beginning of May.
Yeah, so we went to Mexico, awesome time. But what did we find out?
We found out that the Paloma, besides drinking tequila neat,
Yes.
they like the Paloma much more so than the margarita.
Yeah, I mean,
Margaritas for tourists.
Yeah, I mean, most people here in the U.S. would think that the margarita, but it's not. It's like everybody was having Paloma.
I'm going to get a drink. You keep talking.
Okay, I'm good at talking. And Scotch. Like, there was a ton of people drinking Scotch. So, but that's neither here nor there. So tonight we're making a Paloma. This is, again, I like to fiddle with things, so I've kind of come up with my own recipe. Better?
I'm ready. I have a chaser.
Okay.
I won't need it, though.
So
amazing.
We've got, and the recipe will be on the end screen, so just keep watching. So we've got 2 ounces of tequila. We've got 1 ounce of Mezcal. I know we've had conversations about Mezcal. If you don't like Mezcal, it's time for you to put on your big boy pants. You need to start drinking Mezcal.
I can't see
Mezcal
the fresh squeeze.
is, okay, sorry. Mezcal is an awesome addition to this, with the sweetness from everything and then the smoky. We have some fresh squeezed grapefruit. So if you're gonna make this, go out and buy yourself one grapefruit. One grapefruit will do it. And that way you have fresh juice. Then we have some lime juice to kind of add a little bit of acidity and bitterness, if you will, and that pucker. And then we're gonna top it off with a little bit of Squirt, because that's what they do in Mexico. And then I love Tajin, so we're also gonna add some Tajin to it. So let's, into the mixer so it can go into our mouth. So we're gonna start out, and as always,
it's been a long week. Making for 2.
Yeah, we're making for 2, but I'm gonna call out what the recipe is for 1. So 2 ounces of tequila. And this is because of the Squirt, we have kind of a different way of building the cocktail.
Because you don't want to shake Squirt. That would
that would be a mess. It'd be a hell of a video. You guys would watch that a lot.
Oh my gosh.
So, and then we've got like 1 ounce.
Epic husband-wife battle.
Yes. 1 ounce of Mezcal.
I think we've already had that happen in this kitchen before.
We have.
There was a champagne incident.
There might have been.
Storing it on its side is not.
No.
Apparently not good. Especially a Magnum, big bottle.
1 ounce of fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. And then 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Okay. And then, done with that, we're gonna just do a little shake of Tajin. I'm gonna throw some ice into my mixing tin.
Don't overfill it. I'll get it.
And ice cube down. We're gonna get that sealed. As opposed to mixing it in the glass, I prefer shaking this just so everything kind of aerates and mix really well, and also drops temperature-wise. So we're good. I just need to smack that crack and get that open. We're gonna do.
You say that on purpose.
I did. Here, set here. And then
ridiculous. Nope.
We're gonna go about halfway into our kind of tumbler / Tom Collins glass.
I'm gonna earn my keep. You tell me how much to pour.
We're gonna just
Tajin,
top.
do you want Tajin first?
Tahin's already in it.
Oh.
So
Tajin.
we're gonna top with the Squirt.
Is that good?
No, all the way to the top.
Oh, all right.
All the way to the top, sister. Okay, that's good.
All right.
While she does the other one, I'm gonna just give it a quick stir. My mixing spoon, and then we are ready to go. Okay. Cheers to Mexico.
Cheers, Mexico.
All right.
And cute glassware. Etsy.
It smells.
I don't think the Paloma is about the smell, but it's so refreshing and
my
light.
gosh. It's like takes us back. We're like in the pool at the swim up bar
that sounds really
at
nice.
2 in the afternoon, and I'm like 6 Palomas deep.
No, he's not.
And
no.
my swimsuit's on my head, and
Oh my
you're
God.
yelling at me, and security is running over. I'm kidding. It didn't happen.
It did not happen.
Except on the last day we were there.
No, that didn't happen.
No, it
That
didn't. But this doesn't.
It's very refreshing and light, and
Yes.
you don't taste the mezcal at all. It just adds a little
Yes.
depth of flavor.
Oh my
and that's
gosh,
it.
this is.
You're ridiculous. This is good though. I hope that comes out your nose. That'll be really funny.
Carbonation out the nose. That would feel great.
I have
This is
water.
really yummy. I know a lot of ingredients, but for a big group of people, you could batch.
Picture these up.
You could batch these like your everything minus your squirt. You could batch up and mix and just have. Don't have it on ice because you don't want it to dilute, but just have it. Don't have ice in it, and then you just literally mix squirt in, and you are good to go. This is a ton of fun.
We should have a summer barbecue.
Yeah, right. As we're heading into winter here in Bend, so
It's a nice refresher
yes.
summer.
So
Cheers.
thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed these. We hope that you're enjoying these little Friday night interludes that we're doing.
know.
Let us know if you like these, and if you want us to make a cocktail, we will absolutely take one for the team and do it because we're givers.
Yeah, I think we need to make the Sazerac for me.
Okay, yes, we will. That'll be next on the list.
It's a good fall, winter,
It
cold
is.
weather cocktail.
Okay,
Anyway,
squirrel brain. Come on,
be kind
eat pizza
with plants and a
Eat.
cocktail
on Fridays.
on Fridays. Just on Fridays.
See ya.